Ghibli-style AI art is everywhere. People are even paying for ChatGPT models to generate these images. But with this open source model, you can generate unlimited Ghibli-style images locally. No restrictions, no paywalls. Let's get started. Step 1. Deploying a GPU node with node shift. AI image generation needs serious compute power, so we're setting up a GPU node. The minimum prerequisites for this model is mentioned in the article. I'll link it in the description. Sign into the node shift dashboard. Navigate to GPU nodes and click Start. We'll choose the RTX A6000 node and set 200 GB storage. 48 GB for RAM. Select the Jupyter Notebook image, review the details, and click Create. Once deployed, click the three dots. Select Connect with SSH, and your GPU-powered Jupyter environment is live. Step 2. Setting up the environment. Inside Jupyter, open a Python 3 IPI kernel notebook and rename the file for clarity. Verify the GPU with NVIDIA SMAI. Install the required Python dependencies. Copy. Paste. This takes a moment, so grab a coffee while it installs. It's done. Step 3. Downloading the model. Since this model is gated, we need to authenticate with Hugging Face. Install the Hugging Face CLI. Copy. Paste. Log in using your Hugging Face token. Replace the placeholder with your HF token. Find it in your Hugging Face dashboard. I'll be back. Just trying to avoid getting rug pulled into bankruptcy. Done. Step 4. Running inference. Download the model checkpoints, load it, and run a prompt. The model starts downloading, waits 23 files, so patience required. Once done, it generates your first image. Check your output. It will be a .png file. Open the image, admire the Ghibli goodness. Wait, this one's just okay. Let's tweak the prompt and let the goodness begin. To avoid memory issues, restart the kernel before generating new images. This clears memory and speeds up processing. Now we'll use our creative and artistic brain to come up with a Pookie prompt. Editing magic. And it's done. Let's check our masterpiece. Damn, that's too cutie. That's it. We generated 2 images, but you can create as many as your resources allow. Thanks to NodeShift, setting up a GPU for AI tasks is super easy. Now go make some Ghibli-style art. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!